Hi guys, welcome to our channel, and we are here to do unboxing of this dash cam. Name is Euki X11 model, and this is a 4K dash cam for my car, and it also have this rear dash cam which is 1080p. The main camera is 4K, and this one includes 64 gigabytes of micro SD, and it can also use 256 gigabytes, but you have to buy it separately. So let's start by opening this box. I bought this from Amazon for only 79.99 Canadian dollars. So here, what's inside the box? Let's see. All right. Of course, the user manual, the static plastic, where we have two static or a plastic, but we have to stick first before the actual dash cam component. And then again, the user manual with different languages: English, Italian, French, and German, or I don't know. And a thank you note, and it has this 12-month limited warranty. So I guess, yeah, you have to register this one. And this is the actual dash cam, which is a USB-C. It has this hole here for the heat dissipation, again included with a 64 gig micro SD. All right, and yeah, and as we have this inside is this power supply. So to your 12-volt cigarette outlet, and this is the rear camera. It can also be installed in your plate number. Yeah. It's really tight, but yeah. So I have the SUV, so it will be like this way. Right, and then this prying tool that you can use to like pry the ceiling part of your car, where you will insert your cables, and adhesive for 3M, and that's it. This is the DM again for the rear camera, and yeah, we also include this. Oh, this is for the rear, yeah, rear screws, if you were going to install this in your plate number or outside. But I'm going to install this inside the car. I will be installing this dash cam in the middle part of the windshield. It's the best. I think this is the better place. The dash cam is in the middle, because the field of view is 170 degrees, and since this is like small size, it will not be blocking my view. So it's under my rear view mirror. Put it here, and I will be using this electrostatic sticker. It says this can be it's easy to remove when you want to move it, or you want to reposition it, it can be reused. But this is way too big, so you can see I will be putting in the camera here, so I don't need that much of a sticker. So I will cut it out because this one will be blocking or affecting the camera, because it's getting in the way of the lens of the camera. So I will cut it out. Same size of this 3M at least. And you will notice that this one is in the middle of the lens, so wherever you want to put this, you'll be certain that you're putting it the right way. So I will remove this magnet, and then just stick it wherever I want, like here. But just don't stick it too close to this plastic, because it might not be able to put this one back. It's a little bit lower. And you should be aware of the orientation of this magnet. It's like a trapezoid shape. If you mistakenly put it upside down, it will not fit on properly. So be sure to put it or stick it properly to the windshield. Right. This is the orientation. If you want to put it here, the sticker tab should be at the bottom. Right, I'll put it here. Clean it up with the alcohol. Let it dry. Then I will put this electrostatic sticker. Yeah. In the middle, and then I guess it's better to also wipe this electrostatic sticker with alcohol, where I use my finger and then when I can stick this plate. Move this red one and stick it there. Okay. Put your dash cam here. Alright. So this is the middle of the lens. This is where the placement of the lens, so it's in the middle. So I will be rerouting this power cable. This going to this side, and underneath this headliner to use this plastic plier side. Here. I'm going to this A pillar here. Do the same thing. Set it here. And you can see, going to this rubber stripping here. Slip it up and there. This side, okay. Here, and oops. Here, on the pilot, we have the space here. Go underneath here, and underneath this. Just put it underneath the mic if you want. And then here on the side. Do the same, inserting the cable here, side, here. The difference is it could be going to the back. So it's here. Side here. And then this also. Check the prior one. And do it all the way to the back. So here at the back, the camera will be mounted here, like this way. So I have to insert this cable inside through here. So I have to remove this one. Oh. Be mindful of this cable for the light. hole. I put this here, this cable, and from outside you can see it's here. But be careful because this is sharp. So pull it slowly. Insert the wire through here, and this one should go inside, then go into this one. So this part is really hard because this one is way too big, but I managed to insert it slowly here by moving the rubber like this. Hold the yellow one from here and then pull it slowly like that until the yellow end will go to this hole. So I managed to take it. I'm not sure if it's easier to do it the other way around, like inserting the other end cable there, going here and going to this line, headliner. But anyway, I made it through here, so insert it to this hole and find a way to make it. On the pilot, this plastic, you can pry this one up from here. You see that tab? So no need to remove all of it. Just you can see the hole here and take the cable. There's a cable, pull it, and then put it here. That's how it looks. I can put more cable here to make it neat. Okay. And I know that this backup camera is the center, so I'll place my rear camera here. So this one will be placed this way, not this way, this way. So same in dash cam. I will measure the static sticker here, like the exact size only, and then I will put it here. I already wiped this with alcohol. Stick the sticker here. And then move this red up and then stick it here. You want it to be up. And then connect this cable. So here you can see this one. Align this arrow here, and if you can see, but there's an arrow here, and this one have arrow also, so do it properly. Alright, okay, then we will insert here the excess wire. Then test your camera and then adjust it according to the level that you want by viewing the video using the apps. So I'll show you how to do it. So now I open this Jarvis camera app for the Euki. Now this front camera of the dash cam is being showed in the apps, but you can always use this toggle switch at the bottom left to toggle and switch this front camera with the rear camera. Now we have this rear camera, so you can adjust it according to what level that you want, or orientation that you want. So right now I guess this is a better position. Yeah, that one. I want to try this. Yeah, that one, I guess. Yeah, we will know once we are in the traffic and see how it looks with the car behind me while I'm driving, and then we'll make adjustment from there. But for now, this looks okay.